Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best magnetic curtain snaps is probably one of the most innovative and practical solutions for keeping your curtains perfectly in place, eliminating those annoying drafts and light leaks that can disrupt your home's ambience and energy efficiency. These ingenious little devices offer a simple yet effective way to secure your drapes, whether you're looking to enhance privacy, improve insulation, or simply add a touch of neatness to your windows, making them an indispensable accessory for any homeowner seeking both style and functionality in their living space. Number 5. Magnetic Thermal Insulated Door Curtain. Introducing our magnetic thermal insulated door curtain, designed to fit doors up to 36 by 82 inches. Measure your door to ensure a perfect fit for optimal insulation. This thermal curtain is your key to energy efficiency. It blocks cold drafts in winter and keeps cool air in during summer, significantly reducing your heating and cooling costs. Experience seamless entry and exit with its magnetic closure. Powerful magnets allow for hands-free opening and quiet, automatic closing, making it safe for everyone. Crafted from high-quality, eco-friendly EVA plastic, this curtain is non-toxic and odor-free. Its scratch-resistant and easy-to-clean surface ensures lasting use. Perfect for any space, including air-conditioned rooms, kitchens, bedrooms, and back doors. It effectively contains odors and maintains fresher air throughout your home. Set it up in minutes with no tools needed. Just peel and stick the heavy-duty Velcro for a secure and stable fit that stays in place. What we like? This magnetic curtain offers exceptional energy efficiency, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Its hands-free magnetic closure is perfect for busy households or homes with pets and children. If you're looking for a simple, effective way to insulate a doorway without complex installation, this is the one for you. What people say. These snaps are a game-changer for keeping curtains in place, especially in windy conditions. The magnetic closure is strong and holds the curtains securely without slipping. Easy to attach and detach, making it convenient for daily use and cleaning. Number 4. XILEWHZF 30 Pairs Hidden Sew Magnetic Snap. Experience a super strong magnetic closure that holds tight without damaging your fabric. These are the perfect alternative to traditional snaps for your creative projects. Installing these magnetic snaps is a breeze, thanks to the nearby transparent PVC. You can sew them directly onto your projects for a clean, aesthetic finish. These closures are incredibly versatile. Use them on bags, clothing, gift boxes, and for all your DIY craft sewing needs. You'll receive 30 sets of these hidden magnetic snaps, each measuring 1.18 inches. This generous quantity ensures you have enough for multiple projects and replacements. Designed for easy sewing, the magnetic parts stick together, simplifying the process. Just ensure the magnets align correctly when you attach them. Enjoy the convenience of easy opening and closing with these durable magnetic fasteners. They are built to last and simplify your crafting. What we like? These hidden sew magnetic snaps provide a clean, invisible closure for your sewing projects. The strong magnets ensure a secure hold without damaging fabric. If you're a DIY crafter or looking to add a professional finish to handmade bags, clothing, or accessories, these are an excellent choice. What people say. They are so user-friendly because half of the side is gold and or brass color and the other half is silver color, so you know what's what. Also for me, the size is absolutely perfect and the quality is unrivaled because they're the same every single time. I used this to make a little backpack for my kids, for the flap closure on the front. It was easy to sew in, but the magnet hardly holds, through 2 thin layers, cotton and flannel. One good thing is that it is very quiet. Number 3. Barossa Design Fabric Snap-In Shower Curtain Liner Replacement. Introducing a hotel-style shower curtain liner designed for convenience and durability. It easily snaps in and out for effortless washing. This liner is detachable, making it simple to replace or wash. Save time and money while extending the life of your shower curtain. Crafted from high-quality polyester, it features a water-repellent finish. Water glides off easily, ensuring it dries quickly and reduces moisture buildup. Designed with weighted corner magnets, it stays securely in place. This prevents the liner from billowing and ensures a more pleasant shower experience. This 70 by 54 inch liner is ideal for standard shower curtains. Please check the snap measurements before purchasing to ensure compatibility. Ensure you check our standard snap size before buying. Variations in snap size or shape could lead to incompatibility with other snap-on curtains. What we like. This fabric shower curtain liner offers a luxurious hotel-style feel and is easily removable for washing. The weighted corner magnets help keep it in place, preventing water from escaping. If you desire a more upscale and practical shower curtain solution that's easy to maintain, this is a great option. What people say. The snaps are strong and hold the curtains in place securely. Easy to install and adjust, they make opening and closing curtains a breeze. The magnetic closure is very strong and keeps the curtains from blowing open. Number 2. River Dream PEVA Snap-In Shower Curtain Liner Replacement. Introducing the perfect snap-in liner replacement for your River Dream shower curtain. It's designed for a quick and easy swap, ensuring your shower stays fresh and functional. Before ordering, please measure your snap size. The inner diameter is 0.32 inches. This ensures a perfect fit for your existing shower curtain. This liner is specifically designed to fit shower curtains measuring 71 by 74 inches. It's the ideal replacement to maintain your shower's aesthetic and functionality. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic, and odorless PEVA material, it's eco-friendly and safe for your family. Enjoy peace of mind with a healthier bathroom environment. Featuring a convenient white color and integrated magnets, this liner stays securely in place. It provides a clean and modern look to your shower space. Please note that this snap-in liner replacement is exclusively compatible with River Dream shower curtains. It's a replacement part designed for a perfect match. What we like. This PEVA shower curtain liner is an eco-friendly and odorless choice for your bathroom. Its snap-in design makes replacement simple, and the included magnets help it hang correctly. If you need a straightforward, safe, and easy-to-install replacement liner specifically for compatible shower curtains, this is a good fit. What people say. This liner has 3 magnets to weigh down the hem. Most liners like this only come with 2. It also has 3 magnets along the bottom which keeps it snug to the bathtub. Perfect fit all the way around. 10 seconds installing, it's all it took. Number 1. Tanstic 18mm magnetic button snaps, 60 sets. Get everything you need with our 60-set magnetic button snaps, featuring silver, gold, bronze, and gunmetal finishes. With a convenient 18mm size, these are perfect for all your sewing projects. Crafted from high-quality metal with a special electroplating technique, these fasteners are built to last. Enjoy vibrant colors that won't fade and a strong magnetic closure that keeps your item secure. Attaching these magnetic snaps is a breeze. Simply insert the prongs through your material and fold over the included backing pieces. No special tools are required for a secure, heavy-duty closure. Keep your snaps tidy and accessible with the included transparent plastic case. Each color is neatly organized, making storage and transport effortless. These versatile magnetic clasps are ideal for a wide range of applications. Perfect for sewing, crafts, purses, bags, clothing, and leather goods, they add a professional touch to any DIY project. Ensure your bags and garments stay closed with a strong magnetic hold. These fasteners not only provide security but also add a stylish accent to your creations. What we like. With 60 sets in 4 attractive colors, these metal magnetic button clasps offer great versatility for your crafting needs. They are made from durable, electroplated metal that resists fading and provides a strong closure. If you enjoy sewing, crafting, or repairing bags and clothing and want a variety of stylish, reliable magnetic closures, this set is ideal. What people say. Works really well and looks nice especially for the price point. Magnets are very sturdy for a wallet or purse. Great magnetic strength, solid sets, easy to attach, exactly what I expected for a great price. They stay in place, with a piece that gives it more securement. The magnet allows them to not flip open on accident. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.